Go in your room, man. No problem.
No problem. All right. But you can see that from the income that's generated, it doesn't look like there's been any improvements since about 10 years back. You can see the state of the house has deteriorated.
Hi, good family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. You, Batadi Bumkosi. Hi, Bandla. Guyamangaza. It is not even 6 months after the passing of Don Mlangeni Nawa, and already allegedly his wife and family, they are fighting over his fortune. Woo, Sana. It is reported by Imapepandaba ukuthi the family was seen fighting over a house in Soweto that was owned by Utbabu Don Mlangeni. But ukuthi what exactly caused the fight, it is currently unknown. But police were called to come and inspect the situation because Bandla izinto bezisiphuma esandleni. Now my question is, because during the memorial service and also the funeral, the family members showed so much love and support to Umfazi Gababu Don. But then now, how is it that they are fighting against her for izinto zomyeni wakhe? This is indeed shocking and confusing. Bathandi bomkhosi, kodwa hayi bandla, sizothini kuyenzeka eMzansi? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.